Geometric series are a lot like arithmetic sequences. Excuse me. Start from the beginning. Geometric sequences are a lot like arithmetic sequences, but we're not adding a certain number. What are the two big operations in math? Adding, not subtraction, because subtraction is adding. It's adding and multiplication. It's adding by a negative number. It's adding by the opposite number. So adding, we don't subtract, we add by an opposite. Because remember, the rules don't apply to subtraction. They only apply to addition, which is why we redefine that. So now, an example of this sequence, this sequence would be like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. How am I getting from 2 to 4? Yeah, multiplying by 2. Get from 4 to 16. Multiplying by 2. 16 to 32. Multiplying by 2. 32 to 64. Multiplying by 2. So, we have a common ratio, which we call R, because mathematicians show, like D is a difference. We try to make, when we simplify things, we try to make it at least look close to what we have going on here. Now, in order to find R, so just remember how we talked about a sub n might be in the middle, and we talk about the number right before it or the number right after it. R would be this number divided by this number, but R would also be this number divided by this number. Now, if you went over here, say you use these two numbers, and you had R was 1 over 32 divided by 1 over 16, and you say to yourself, oh my God, there's a fraction over a fraction. So this is a fraction with a fraction in the top and a fraction in the bottom. There's 3 fractions going on here. And then this, if there's work to be shown, show that work. Now to find the nth term, a sub n is going to be equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 power. It's a little bit different of a formula than for an arithmetic sequence. This just tells me now that I'm multiplying a sub 1 by... Metric sequences go a lot faster, which means their numbers get bigger faster. It would take a long time if I started at 2 and I only added like a -3 to it. It would take a long time to get to this number. It only takes 10 terms when I'm multiplying. So multiplication makes things go a lot faster. Yes. I made it up, but that was part of the example. Yeah, the problem is you're going to get a certain amount of information. All right. Any questions?